Today I'm going to show you how to make a grilled cheese to where you can say goodbye to the saute pan. Alright, here's what I've got going on right here. Here I have 2 slices of brioche style bread. And you can use any bread you like. Alright, so now what we're going to do is basic building. I'm just going to put a little bit of butter each slice. Okay. And now we're going to give them a flip over. So the next part here is completely optional. But I encourage you to try this, because it comes out really good. So we're going to go with a little bit of mayonnaise on the inside. Not a lot. A little bit of mayonnaise. Then a little bit of mustard. Now a little bit of kosher salt. A little black pepper. Okay, now for our cheese. I'm going to use some nice shredded cheddar cheese. And you can use any cheese you like. Alright, so we're just going to throw this right on here. Alright, we're ready to go. So let me just get the salt and the pepper out of the way here. And now I'm going to grab a rack. And you're probably starting to wonder where I'm going with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer our grilled cheese to this rack right here. Now let me show you how we're going to cook this. Alright, so here's my air fryer. And this model is the Caloric brand. And real quick, if you're looking to purchase a solid air fryer, or if you want to upgrade to a better air fryer, I strongly recommend this brand right here, okay? There's so many pros to it and like 2 cons. So what we're going to do is we're just going to open up the door and we're going to take our grilled cheese sandwich on the rack and we're going to leave it just like that, because with this type of air fryer, it circulates the air all the way through, all right? We're going to give it a close. We're just going to start this here. We're going to set it to 375. For 5 minutes. Boom. Alright, we're done. Let's get this guy out of here. Alright, there it is. Let's get into this. Alright, let's get into this right now. I tell you, this thing looks and smells absolutely outstanding. Absolutely one amazing recipe. The nice buttery outside, the mayonnaise mustard on the inside. This is one recipe I really hope you get a chance to check out. And for another good recipe, be sure to watch the video that's on your screen right now. I'll see you right here next time.